Dear friends, welcome to WordPress Authority. In the last chapter, we saw what are WordPress plugins and how to install a WordPress plugin. In this particular chapter, I would be showing the 10 must-have WordPress plugins for any new blog. Since we are new to WordPress plugins here, we will select 10 of the basic WordPress plugins that are required for each blog. Let me start with the first of the 10 WordPress plugins that are required for your blog. The first one is Akismet plugin. That is a plugin that protects your blog from comments and trackback spam. It is a very useful plugin, and it is developed by the WordPress developers itself. It's a huge spam database, and it automatically identifies spam comments and spam trackbacks on your blogs, and thereby keeping away all the unwanted comments and links from your blog. I've just installed this plugin by searching from the plugin database on the dashboard and activated it. But it does not have enough data as of now on the WordPress Authority blog to show how it works. So I'll just open one of my other blogs to show you how Akismet works. So this is the Akismet status from the dashboard of my other blog that is more than a few years old. In the last 1 year, Akismet has blocked total 318,000 spam comments and related trackbacks, and with an accuracy of 99.86%. It shows the spam that it has detected and blocked on each month. So this shows how effective this plugin is in arresting spam. The next plugin we will learn about is All-in-One SEO Pack. It is a very popular and the most commonly used search engine optimization plugin for WordPress, and it's a must-have plugin in your database. How All-in-One SEO Pack works is, once installed, it would give you the option of adding a title, a description, and tags that are useful for search engine optimization for each post. Since this is newly installed, I can just show how it works and where to key in the field. When you click on New Post, you'll get the title as normal, the description also as normal, but below you get a new section called All-in-One SEO Pack. This is where you can key in your custom title, custom description, and keywords. This will help your blog be quickly indexed in search engines, and also it will directly talk with the search engine program bots that are on your blog to index. So the title you enter here is directly fed into the search engine bots database, and the description and the comma. It also gives you a preview snippet of how it would look in Google search. And when you're keying in this information for each and every post, this ensures that your WordPress blog post is search engine sound, and all the information is readable for the search engine bots. It's a very useful plugin, and it also has a section where you can enter the general settings of your blog or website. Once activated, it will give the home description, home title, and keywords for your blog in general. And this will ensure your blog has a sound search engine optimizable structure. The next plugin we would go on to explore, the next must-have plugin is Broken Link Checker. This is a simple plugin that will check if there are broken links on your website. In the long run, when you write more and more content and link to different websites or different pages within your blog, you would encounter a lot of broken links. But it is very difficult to manually check each and every link when you have a lot of content. In such cases, the broken link checker plugin helps you to actually identify automatically which all are the broken links. It has an option to automatically identify the broken links, and you can delete or unlink those broken links one by one. And also, please note that broken links are bad for search engine optimization. So it paralyzes your blog with too many when you have too many broken links. Next, let's go to the next plugin, that is Google XML Sitemaps. Sitemaps are just similar to the route maps, explaining clearly which content is located at which portion of your website. This enables or fastens your search engine indexing. That is, for Google program bots or Yahoo or Bing program bots that crawl the website, this XML document provides it a map so that the crawlers can easily find out the different web pages and different links on your website and automatically index them. So it is a must to have a good XML sitemap for each and every website. The plugin actually creates or automatically generates a XML sitemap and stores on your website. The next one is Reply to Com Redirector, and it's actually a plugin that will save your website from unwanted bots. That we would be discussing is Share This plugin. It's nothing but a social bookmarking plugin that automatically includes features like share to Twitter, share to Facebook, share to Google Plus, etc. And it includes a number of other social networking sites as well by default, but it's easy to configure and an installation is only required. The next important plugin that is required for any blog is the StatPress CN plugin. This is a statistic plugin that shows you the real-time statistics of how many visitors are reaching your blog and in-depth statistics about their location, their time of visit, the page views, etc. Let me take you to one of my other blog that gives you data on StatPress and how it looks and works. Once installed, day by day StatPress keeps on collecting information and data of the visitors to your website. So this is statistics of past couple of days on my other blog, and it shows the number of visitors, the page views, the spiders that visit the website, the feeds, and also the latest hits. In addition, it shows the IP address of the visitors, the pages that were visited, the last search terms, and from which search engine they actually came to your website is all given in detail. Also, if referred from another link, it gives the details of the referring website as well. The next plugin is a very critical and important plugin that should be there in your arsenal, and that is W3 Total Cache plugin. This plugin is important because as and when your website grows, more and more content is added onto your website, the website tends to get slower. So the cache plugin does both web browser as well as database server-side caching and saves a copy of cached website and database queries on the server, hence increasing the speed of your website. So this is a plugin that is required if you want your website to load faster for every visitor. And the next one is the database cleaner. This is a simple plugin that helps you to clean your database. For example, let's open up the database plugin and see how it works. It deletes auto draft, the pending comments, spam comments, trash comments, and different other trash posts extra at one go. So this plugin is helpful if you want to actually clean up your database and website once in a while. And the last one is yet another related post plugin. This plugin is a simple related post plugin. If installed and configured properly, this will show related posts after every article or post is opened. So when you open up an article, it automatically populates related posts. Let me show you how that works. For example, I'm just opening up one of the latest posts and scrolling down. Here it will show more related articles. So these are related posts with similar content. It is automatically queried out by the algorithm of the plugin and it's served to your visitors. So these are the 10 plugins that are required for any new blog. This list is not limited to all the plugins, but you can add in more plugins with your research, but these are the ones that is required. And going forward, I would add more chapters and tutorials on configuring each of the plugins that may look complex. For example, all-in-one SEO pack plugin and the W3 cache plugins required a bit of configuration that would be shown as a video tutorial in the coming days. Thanks a lot for your time and have a nice day.